This 2026 Aliner Classic is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 15 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, external shower, spare tire kit, LP detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up RV features front dinette, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Aliner Classic is 1,840 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.